This is modern homesteading.
I think I can almost see the logo. It's a Simon's. Hit the lottery. Yes. Awesome. Check this out. Okay. The first one I've ever found. You can see the Simon's logo right there, the sunburst, the Simon's ribbon. Okay, maybe you can't see it as well as I can. Right there. Royal Chinook, C-I-N-O-O-K. You can see it. Awesome. Freaking awesome. Look at that. A 7-foot Simon's Royal Chinook and in mint condition. Look at the teeth. Not a broken tooth, not a broken raker. Hardly any rust on it. I only worked on this just a couple minutes. And the logo, look how clean it is. Just a light surface rust. What's the other side look like? You can have your scratch-off tickets. I'll take this any day. Look at that. There's hardly any rust in it. You can just see the shiny metal coming through it. This is going to be... I already know what I'm going to name it. I've been saving the best name for the best saw. And this might very well be my best saw. She shall be Cherry Bun. Cherry Bun, the sweetest saw. Cherry Bun did only come with one handle, but it's a good handle. It looks like a... What is this? Looks like an Atkins style. That's interesting. Look at that. It's got cross marks on it. One. I wonder if this was put in there by the sawyers. There's hash marks. You can see hash, 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 cross, 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 where they crossed them. Right there. Okay. I can see it. Yeah, I can see the logo on there. It does look like an Atkins. I can't see it. It's an Atkins number 24. This is the exact mate to the single that I have, an Atkins 24, where I was missing one. Now I have a match set of Atkins number 24 handles. Cherry Bun just keeps on giving. Man, could it get any better than this? Is it possible that there could be an Atkins 51? 52, or another Royal Chinook? Let's find out. Man, in all the excitement, we forgot to check the taper on Cherry Bun here. Let's see. So we're here at the waist, and let's go with this side first here. Let's see. At the raker, oh, it's a thick saw. Okay, so at the raker, what do we got here? We've got a 13 gauge. And on the back, let's start with 15 sloppy, 16 sloppy, 17, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 4 gauges of taper in the saw. That's fantastic. This is like hitting the lottery of crosscut saws right here. A Simmons Royal Chinook bucking saw. It's going to be tough to top Cherry Bun, but look at this. A 7.5-foot bucking saw. Hardly any rust. Look at that. This saw is almost as good a condition as Wanda. But what is it? My goodness, this is in good shape. I can't believe how good a shape this is in. You don't find these. So what do we got here? We got... It's a thin saw. So we've got 18 gauge at the back, and here in the raker at about the middle, what do we got? Isn't this fun? So 18 to 13. Check that out. Another one. Another. Let's go over here. Is it a crescent ground saw? 18 to 13. 18 on the back. So what do we hear? Yeah. And here on the edge. Oh, this is a good saw. It's a good one. 14, 15, somewhere around there. What is it though? Boy, I think it's just a little bit of scratching here. We can see. See something if it's here. Hold on. I can see the logo coming through. It looks like it might be a Simon's. Could we have a match set of falling and bucking saw and a Royal Chinook? It's a Simon's. It's a Simon's. It's a Simon's Royal Chinook 513 crescent ground falling saw. Can you see the logo? Well, you probably can't. There's the sunburst. Simon's. Crescent. Royal Chinook. Right there. Royal Chinook number 513. That's it. That is, the search is over. I do not need to look ever again at another crosscut saw because I've got the match set of the best saws ever built. The high watermark, the pinnacle of crosscut saw technology. Right here is the beautiful mint condition. Doesn't look like it, but you wait till I get done with it. What is this? 7 foot crescent ground Simon's Royal Chinook bucking saw. And the match Simon's crescent ground Royal Chinook number 513. 7.5 foot felling saw. Magnificent. How do you top that? How do you top that? This is one of the best days of my life. I'll be the first to admit I may be getting a bit carried away with this, but I'll tell you what, this is absolutely a joy. And so exciting. It has not entered into the hearts or imaginations of the Wranglerstar subscriber what I have in store for you in the back of my truck right now. So, you think that was good? You should see the axe heads I got. If you would like to see the axe heads, click on the video. Right over there. Or wherever the axe heads are playing. I haven't even put it there yet. Some amazing finds there, so click on there. So, I will be... What am I doing today? I can't decide whether I want to work on the saws or if I want to get the McCormick engine out. Get that up on the bench and see what we have. You know, the piston is free and there is no reason that I can see with a little cleaning why that one lunger won't run. I don't even know what direction to go in. I have so many fun projects to go. So stay tuned. I'll be uploading videos as fast as I can and I appreciate you watching. Hey, it's a good time to click the thumbs up. If you're enjoying this picking series of all of these old antiques, click a thumbs up. Let me know that you like this type of video. It's how you help to interact and direct the direction of the channel. So I appreciate your support and we will see you guys more videos today.